Hey everyone, welcome back again to Foxtecc, and in this video, I'm going to guide you through how to adjust the volume on your Apple Watch. This is a common issue many users face, but it's quite straightforward once you know the steps. Let's get started. First, let's address a common issue, increasing the volume on your Apple Watch. Before we dive into the settings, make sure your watch is not in silent mode. You can check this quickly by swiping up from the bottom of your watch face to access the control center. Look for the bell icon. If it's highlighted, your watch is in silent mode. Tap it to turn off silent mode if necessary. Now let's adjust the ringer volume. Go to the Settings app on your Apple Watch. Once in Settings, navigate to Sounds and Haptics. Here you'll find the Alert Volume slider. You can adjust this slider by tapping on the plus or minus icons, or for more precise control, use the digital crown. Simply rotate the digital crown to increase or decrease the volume to your desired level. The digital crown is your primary tool for volume control on the Apple Watch. It's used not only for adjusting the alert volume, but also for controlling the volume during media playback. If you're listening to music or any other audio on your Apple Watch, you can use the digital crown to adjust the volume. Just rotate the crown while the media is playing, and you'll see the volume indicator change on the screen. It's essential to understand that the Apple Watch doesn't have volume rockers or touch controls like the iPhone. The digital crown is the key component for managing all volume-related settings. Whether it's for alerts, notifications, or media playback, mastering the use of the digital crown will help you manage the volume effectively. By following these steps, you'll be able to hear notifications clearly and enjoy media at the perfect volume. Understanding and utilizing the digital crown is crucial for an optimal Apple Watch experience. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtecc. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. See you guys later.